Visuals are coming in from Gujarat. This is from Ahmedabad, where there's been a protest by the Hindu right-wing outfit, Bajrang Dal. Bajrang Dal workers are at the state office of Gujarat Congress. This happened, we are told, early in the morning with black paint and marks that have been smeared on Rahul Gandhi's poster. Is it possibly with regard to the Hindu comments that have been made? All right, looks like Rahul Gandhi wearing a skull cap. These are the visuals that have been, these posters that have been pasted. Rahul Gandhi, who, according to the Bajrang Dal, they have given the caption, Hindu matlab hinsa. They are saying this is what Rahul Gandhi had said. This is what Rahul Gandhi had meant, that he had said Hindus are violent. Congress party is saying, Priyanka Gandhi Vadra is saying, he did not target Hindus. He targeted BJP, who is giving a bad name to all Hindus. So this has become the issue. Early this morning, this has happened. But can this also amount for vandalism, for also entering into a property of a political office? And will there be action also taken against Bajrang Dal workers? Because is this really allowed to venture into the office, put these posters and black mark? Or is this a justified anger that has come in because the manner in which the Hindu mention was made by Rahul? Brijesh Joshi is joining me for the latest on this. Brijesh, good morning. What exactly happened? What time are we talking about? Because I don't see any people, I don't see security. And in many ways, are they really allowed to be entering into a party office like that? What is their justification on this?
This accident was happened at around 4 a.m. So early morning, 4 o'clock, the few guys from Bajrang Dal visited, or they attacked the Congress headquarters at Ahmedabad, which is situated in the Paldi area of the Ahmedabad. Early morning, 4 o'clock, they went to the Congress headquarters and they did the mischief with the posters of Rahul Gandhi, and they sign off the posters with the black ink. So this was their way of protest against the Rahul Gandhi statement of Hindus are being, which was a statement given in the Lok Sabha yesterday. So they are just claiming that this is the way of their protest, and that's why they went to the...
Calling this a protest because the sentiments have been heard. But have any response come from the authorities or even the state Congress unit, because it's their office that has been targeted or vandalized in some way, the manner in which these black marks have been put, posters have been put? Have they given out any statement yet, or there's complete silence on this?
They didn't speak to the media right now, but they have posted on the X that this kind of Hungalism is not permitted, or they condemn this kind of activity at the Congress headquarters. Around 11 o'clock, there will be a statement by the leader of opposition in the Gujarat Assembly, Amit Chawda, who is the leader of the Congress Congress MLAs in the Gujarat Assembly. So he will speak about regarding this. But as far as my sources have said, that Congress is going to be file the FIR in the local police station against this bunch of people, or the Karyakartas of the Bajrang Dal, who attacked the Congress headquarters. So once the FIR will be filed, we will be updating that how and what are the points made by the Congress leaders on this attack.
All right, so Bajrang Dal appears to have protested. They entered into the Congress office in Gujarat. They put posters of Rahul Gandhi in the Muslim skull cap, saying that he has said all Hindus indulge in violence. They have used this black spray. And remember, this is not CCTV footage. This appears to have been recorded by their own cadre, who have appeared to be releasing these videos. So we'll try and get a statement from both sides on this. It's a developing story. Early this morning at the Congress headquarters in Ahmedabad, did Rahul Gandhi make a justified comment? Was it correct? Was it misquoted, out of context? But it's become definitely the biggest political showdown.